Hi everyone. Okay, pretty excited about today. I am going to do a Dutch pour. It's been a while since I've done one, so I'm really looking forward to this. So let's have a look at the colors briefly. So first one, the only one that isn't a mix of any sorts, is an Amsterdam pearl white. Then winter's pretty grey and gloomy here in Finland, so I wanted to cheer that up with some sunshine colours. So I've got a yellow mix, which is Amsterdam yellow ochre, azo yellow medium and titanium white. And then on to the orangey colours. I've got an Amsterdam deep gold and Deco 24 karat gold mix just there. I love the 24 karat gold, but I like to sort of, I don't know, tone it down just a little bit with the Amsterdam deep gold. And then another orange, Liquitex cadmium orange and white, Amsterdam oxide black and light gold is that one. And then finally a reddish one, the same as that, except I've added Amsterdam pyrrole red to that. So that's my color scheme. And the base, instead of using a black, here's what I've got. I have a Winsor Newton Payne's grey. It is a gorgeous, gorgeous Payne's grey that sort of cuts into blue, which I think is a real nice backdrop for these warm, yellowy, goldy, orangey colors. This obviously dries a lot darker than it looks here, but it does have that nice, really nice blue tint to it. So that's enough of me talking. I'm gonna go ahead and start laying down the base and then the colors. I'll pop some music on for you.
If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better? If I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter? Is it maybe because I never knew quite where I was, and suddenly you told me, baby, you're lost, but I am too. Whatever the cost, we'll make it through. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. If I told you that I don't know where I'm going, don't know what to say, but I go without knowing. If I told you that I don't know what to believe in, don't know how to pray, but I pray anyway. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do. Tell me you're the one for me now. I pray that you believe it too, that you're the only one for me. If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper. If I wrote you a song, if I got every word perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper, would it make any difference? Would it change for the better? If I wrote you a poem, if I posted a letter?
Okay, I am gonna stop there. Oh my god, this makes me so happy. The colors and it is gorgeous the ways on this dark background and sort of all these. I am almost speechless, which is unusual. Anyway, let me bring you in for a close up, and yeah, I'll let you see from where I'm sitting. Right, so I have my flash on so you can see the metallics in a minute, but oh my goodness, just look at it. It is just so gorgeous. Oh, I am so in love with this. Look at that shimmer and sparkle there. Oh, wow. Yeah, like I said, I am in love with this one. It is so gorgeous. I'm so glad I decided to try this. But anyway, I'll show you it once it's dry. So I will come back to this in a couple of days. See you then. And it is dried now. I am so chuffed with this. Oh my goodness. I've got to admit, the drying surface wasn't entirely level, so just here you can see how it's moved and distorted a little bit during the drying process, but I don't think it actually takes away from the composition. I love it. I put the flash on so you can hopefully see, yeah, there you go. A lot of these paints sort of shimmer and the pearl white. Oh, look at the way it frames some of those shapes, and I think it's just gorgeous. But I'd love to hear what you think, so please leave me a comment and a like, and if you haven't already, please subscribe. But most of all, thanks so much for joining me today. I'll see you soon. Bye bye.